Hi friends, are you ready to explore the path to beautiful waterfall? On the way there are amazing things to be seen and enjoy. People who love trekking do not miss this place filled with fresh air and sound of water echoing throughout the forest. While enjoying the moment, if you're feeling tired, then feel the coolness of air under these huge single rocks, welcoming you and providing shelter like caves. Now let us cross the stream of chilled water flowing through rocks which is glittering like gold. So this wonderful river is also called Golden Valley. After crossing the river, we are walking more than 100 meters to see the beautiful waterfalls. Be ready to enjoy the enormous tree touching the clouds and trunk as huge as to be embraced by 4 people and spreading its roots and branches to cover the forest. Now we are very close to the waterfalls. Hold your breath and enjoy the sounds of waterfalls as it is dancing and singing through the mountains and touching the Mother Earth. Now you see the spectacular waterfall and enjoy the moment. If you want to see more interesting and informative videos, follow me and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.